The legal team for the County Assembly of Isiolo is comprised as follows: Dr. Ekuru Okot, Mwereru Boniface Mawira, Mwirigi Eric Muriuki, Jamal Abdikadir, Chalo Kennedy Maweu, Paul Wafula, Kosgei Alvin Kemboy, Diana Nyaboke, Mugambi Mutua, Hassan Roba, Derek Kombo, Aromo Mariano, and Mr. Speaker, sir, I lead that legal team. The County Assembly is represented by the following members. I'm sorry, my name is Paul Nyamodi. Please excuse me for that. The Assembly is represented by the following members: Honorable Abubakar Abdi Godana, member of the County Assembly of Isiolo; Lematile David Letinina, Lorot Ewaton, Peter Loyan, Aban Kasim, and Abdikadir Ibrahim. Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Matinga, take your seat. Honorable Senators, I now similarly invite counsel for the Governor to introduce the legal team representing the Governor by stating the full name and destination of each person. You may proceed, counsel.